All right, so congratulations, guys. Technically, we can say that we've built the back end of our application, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like, I really hope you enjoyed it. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to start building the front end of the our application. So, I'll come here to this my terminal, and I want to go back to the p-invent app. I don't want to be inside the backend folder, so I'm just going to say cd and then dot dot. I'll hit enter, and that will just bring me back into the p-invent app. Let me clear this guy. Aha. So next I'm going to install I'm going to create a React app. So here I'll say npx and then create hyphen react hyphen app, and then I'm just going to call the name of the app front end. That's because we have a backend folder already. So if you call it front end, so just create a front end folder and put your React app inside of it. So let's come back here, and where's my, oh, I hope I did not hit enter. Or maybe I did. Let me just cancel that. Okay, and clear it. Okay, so I'll say npx create React app. Okay, npx create hyphen react app, and I'll call that app front end. Yeah, and then I'll hit enter. So this is going to take a couple of minutes, so I just gotta pause the video and wait for it to finish installing, and then we're just going to continue. So our React app has finished installing, and if you come to our file manager here, you'll see that we now have a front end and a back end folder. So what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly we're going to quickly clean up our React application. Okay, that's what we'll just do quickly. So here there are some files I don't need, so let's start from index.js. So we'll go to index.js, open that up. Then I would open my app.js as well. So these are the two files we're going to work from. So first off, in my index.js, okay, so this is fine. In my app.js, I will delete the logo and the app.css. I'm not going to be using both of them, and everything I have here I'll just remove, and then I'll just have a simple hello world, and of course I'll get rid of this class name as well. Okay, so we just have a simple setup here. I'll save this guy, and then I'll delete the app.css because I'm not using it anyway. I'll right click and then I'll delete it. Then app.test, which I'm not going to be using at the moment, I would delete it as well. Then logo, I've deleted the logo already, so I'll remove it as well. Delete. Then report web vitals, setup tests, I'm going to remove that as well. Okay, so technically what you should have is you should have your app index.js, app.js, and index.css. Those are the three files you should have. And let me just look at the index.js to make sure that there's nothing here that I deleted. Okay, so report web vitals, I will get rid of that as well because I think I deleted it, and then I'll also delete all of this. Great, just to clean up. Aha, so now we can go ahead and open this React application. So I'm just going to say here npm start to start my, oh sorry, I need to be in the front end folder. So I'll say cd front end. Aha, then I'll now say npm start. Hit enter, and this should fire up our React application. So let me just bring up the browser, and I'll just have it at the corner there. Then I'll have my text editor at the right here. Okay, so let's just give it a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds so that it will fire off our application. Aha, so we've been able to clean up our application and we have our hello world displayed on the page. All right, so we'll continue in the next video.